Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. While everyone was watching the World Cup today at Stock Market Mentor, we were watching the charts and specifically paying attention to coal stocks. One of our stocks that we have at StockMarketMentor.com, one of our big picks is Peabody Energy, ticker BTU. BTU made a new high here today, did it on good volume, and this is a stock that Dan Fitzpatrick put on our active trade list a while ago. And so members have been enjoying some of this, albeit whippy ride in this nice trend. Now, one thing that I really like about this stock is the fact that it's really close to the highs. You can see this high from back here in April. I got a feeling it's probably going to test that high. Now, that is only about 4% higher, but in this market, that's not a bad move. So I would look for a little resistance at around that 33.40 level. And if you're not in a position right now, wait for a pullback to the moving averages, because the pullbacks to these key moving averages have been buyable. You just got to be patient and wait for your entry. You don't want to be chasing high in a bear market. So coal, definitely a sector that we're paying attention to at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you want to see what else we're watching, take a trial. Click the link at StockMarketMentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.